chose St. Hubert.
Whether it's in the classroom, on the field, or through the community, Bambis are found succeeding everywhere. As a senior, I am president of the Bambi Ambassador Program, chief editor of our high school yearbook, a member of the National Honor Society, and varsity captain of our soccer team. My St. Hubert's experience has taught me confidence, faith, and integrity, which our school strives to succeed in each student. Being part of an all-girls Catholic high school has taught me a young woman's thoughts will never go unheard. Through the support of St. Hubert's faculty, staff, and my fellow peers, we are confident to succeed beyond our limits.
As National Honor Society President, I have learned that academics at an all-girls school can provide an environment in which students can focus on paving a clear path for their futures. Each year, National Honor Society organizes a career day in which our girls are able to talk with a number of professionals from a variety of fields so they can better establish plans for college and beyond.
As Student Council President, leading and serving my school is a priority and an honor. Being surrounded by wonderful women each day has made me more confident and pushed me to be the best person I can. By going to St. Hubert's and taking on the responsibility that comes with being the president of the student body, I have learned to better communicate my thoughts and be a voice for my fellow classmates. No voice will go unheard. Being part of an all-girl experience has created a bond that cannot be broken.
Come visit St. Hubert's for our winter open house
On Thursday, February 7th at 6:30.
To see how we're creating tomorrow today.